You think pancreatic cancer strikes at random, but 1 in 4 cases stems from a single preventable habit. No, it's not eating sugar, it's not chronic stress, it's not even just bad luck. And it's definitely not caused by skipping that overpriced alkaline water cleanse everyone is talking about. The biological reality is chronic inflammation and DNA damage. Smoking introduces carcinogens that directly mutate the KRAS gene, while visceral fat creates a state of constant inflammation that accelerates tumor growth. For decades, people were told there were no warning signs, but sudden onset diabetes in adults over 50 is now confirmed as a major red flag that most patients completely miss. The answer is tobacco. It remains the absolute strongest preventable driver of this disease, responsible for 25% of all diagnoses. Know the risks, own your health.